before we hit the lightning round, I do have one question that doesn't really fit squarely within the lightning round, and that's this. It's an area that Tim and I disagree over, and that is the appellate practitioner's use in a brief of the parenthetical cleaned up. Are you familiar with that?
No.
If you have a long quote with citations and question marks and ellipses and brackets, you strip all of that distracting nonsense out. You just have the words following by a citation with the parenthetical cleaned up. I'm a big fan of that. Tim, I'll speak for Tim and say he would prefer to have appellate justices and their attorneys stumble over commas and periods and not have the words at the forefront.
Thank you for putting my position so charitably, Jeff.
Oh, Jeff, I'm sorry. I have to totally disagree with you. Totally disagree with you. Without getting into too much jurisprudence, if you are at all a positivist and you believe that law is language and that language counts, if you're going to make a quotation, put ellipses if you want to, but put it in a footnote or have it fully out there and honestly treat the language warts and all. Because if I see cleaned up, I think you're inserted. I as a research attorney, and maybe there are a few cynical judges like myself who like myself would get skeptical. I'm going to think you're playing games. You've inserted your ideas in here subtly. And no. That's why I think Justice Wise and I had a great debate. Pardon?
Yeah, no, that's a fair point. It's a fair risk that the reader who reads the cleaned up citation may feel that the stripping away has somehow changed the meaning and that the author's lost credibility by doing so.
Well, why don't you just give me your paraphrase and then put the actual language in a footnote, and then you are saying, here's my paraphrase, but you can check it out and figure out that I'm an honest guy because of what I've just done. You can always use italics.
Fair point.